Hello friends, this is the picture showing the loculated pyopneumothorax. If you see a picture, this is the picture of erect posterior anterior film, and in this picture if you see in the left upper zone here you can see the fluid level which you can see. This is the fluid level. Here there will be air. Because of the tension, surface tension of air above and fluid below, you can see this straight line which you can see. When you see this straight line and there is some opacity here, definitely this opacity is pus or fluid, and here there is above this level there is definitely at least small amount of air. So this will represent pyopneumothorax. Here this picture B shows the presence of the fluid levels here which are posteriorly situated, and here you see pyopneumothorax here also. So this is about the pyopneumothorax, that is loculated pyopneumothorax. Thank you guys for watching my lecture. Thank you.